Hello there, this is the Math Tutor Online. Let's look at Cambridge Syllabus D, year 2018, paper 2. Okay. Question number, it should be, let's take a look. Question number 8B. Okay. Question number 8B is just a question I chose at random because it's a bit of a circle geometry and mensuration question, which is what we've covered so far in topics that preceded. Okay, it says P and Q are points on the circle, center O with radius 4 centimeters. Angle POQ is 130 degrees. Okay, calculate the area of triangle POQ. Okay, area of triangle POQ. Now, I know probably some of you only know the formula for triangle. Area is equal to half base times height. Okay, how do you apply that there? Okay, get a little bit stuck. Okay, so there's an easier formula that you can apply there. Let me just put it down for you. Okay, so it's area of triangle is equal to half multiplied by length multiplied by length. Okay, it's supposed to be length. Okay, so that's just one of the formulas. Half times length times length. Okay, that doesn't make sense to you. You say half times side times side. Okay, half times side times side. Where and times sine angle, the sine of angle between the sides. Half times side times the sine of angle between the sides. Okay, and you can also write it as 1/2 AB sine angle. Okay, sine theta. Half AB sine theta. Okay, so theta in this case is 130 degrees. So take that down. Area of a triangle, half AB sine theta, where theta is the angle between the sides. If we call that your A and you let that be your B, we know that the length from O to P is equal to 4. Okay, so I think you want to see me write this down. Okay, if you can just be patient while I load up the word pad. A is equal to 1/2, right, AB sine theta. Okay, so that's the area of the triangle. Okay, so in this case your area will be equal to 1/2 times 4 times 4 times sine 130. Okay, so that's the area of POQ. Okay, and look at how many marks it is, guys. It's 2 marks. So that's a lot of marks for such a small thing that you can easily digest. Okay, so this formula is quite easy to digest. So you just have to memorize it and remember. So if you simplify that, your area, I've already calculated that, your area should be let's just hold on a bit. 22/7 Your area should be 6.13 to 3 significant figures. Okay, so please check it out. Check it out in your own time. 6.13 to 3 significant figures. Okay, so or 2 decimal places. 6.13. Okay, so that's the area of triangle POQ. Okay, so you can check for yourself that that answer agrees with the marking schemas. The next part of the question says calculate the area of the major segment shown unshaded in the diagram. So the major segment is PQ. Okay, and that includes that triangle we've calculated. So it will be PQ including the area of the triangle that we've calculated, which I've already calculated to be 6.13. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is calculate the area of this sector, okay, which is PQ, sector PQ. So area of a sector, you still remember it, guys, theta over 360 times pi r squared. Okay, we know the area of a circle is pi r squared. So the area of a sector, okay, let's just write it down. Area of sector is equal to theta over 360. Let's just write theta there. Theta divided by 360. That's it. Theta over 360 times pi times radius squared. Okay, so theta, where theta is the angle, divided by 360 times pi, which is 22/7, times radius squared. Okay, and if we simplify that, okay, which I've already worked out, it will be 230 divided by 360 times 22/7 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is pi r squared. Okay, so if you simplify that, okay, maybe before we go too further, how we got that angle theta, it will be 360 minus 130. Okay, that's how we got the angle 230. Okay, that's how we got the angle 230. Okay, so that will be 230 over 360 times 22/7 times 4 times 4. And the answer that you get is 32.12. Okay, that's great, right? So after we do that, to calculate then the area of PQ plus the area of a triangle, so that's 32.1. okay, let's just note that down. That's the area of sector. So now a final answer, area of segment, this is how we present it, 6.13, that's 32.1. What do you get, guys? 6.13 plus 32.1. $38.2. So the final answer is 38.2. Okay, and what units are we talking about? We have to use the correct unit. It's square centimeters. Okay, we have to use the correct units. So make sure when you put your answer down, you put the correct units as well. Okay, so we want units of centimeters squared, like that. There you go. So 5 marks for you guys. I hope that you understand how we went about it. Calculated the area of the triangle, then we calculated the area of that sector, and then we added the 2. Then that would be the area of the major segment, which is shown unshaded in the diagram. And make yourself see that that is 5 marks, guys. That can make the difference between you passing an exam, you getting an A, you getting a B, a C, or a D, or an A plus for that matter. So that's a bit of mensuration combined with circle geometry. Okay, I hope that you took away 1 or 2 from that one. Thanks for watching the video. You can like and share.